I'm AJ from Hipporoo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Hipporoo in position number 1. So grab your hip seats. You're simply going to loosen the Velcro like this. Wrap it around your back, tuck in your tummy, tighten the Velcro and click it into place. Then you're just going to grip it on the actual hip seat, not on the front. Otherwise you might rip the sides by putting too much pressure on it. And you're going to grab your baby. And it's very easy. You're just going to rest your baby's bottom on the carrier, and you can see you can easily feed your baby. You can swap them around to the other side once they're done on that side. And it creates a really nice support. It's not like a feeding cushion that you need to sit down with your baby while breastfeeding. You can actually breastfeed them while you're walking around the house and running errands.